Morning students, how are you all? Hope you all are good at home. Children, once again you all welcome back in GK video, and this is my first video of this week. Children, in this video I am going to start once again the new chapter. Chapter is here 23, and the name of the chapter, the things we do. Yes, today's topic is action words, doing words or verbs. Okay children, so let us see these with the help of example. Okay children, so but before moving towards the example, children, I would like to ask you one thing. So just tell me the answer. Children, you just tell, what are you doing right now? What are you doing right now, and what am I doing right now? Children, yes, you all are watching video right now. You all are watching video. So what? Watch is an action word, and I am teaching you. So teach is a action word. Okay children, it means what is the definition of action words? Yes, the words that tell what a person, animal or things does are called doing words. Yes children, whatever we do right now I am telling. Yes, what I am right now I am teaching you. I am okay through the videos. So what teach is here an action word. Teach is here an action words. Okay, so let us see some more example. And also children, what do you know? Yes, doing words are also called action words, and action words are also called verbs. It means all are same. Okay, now so children, some more example. Through the example we all will try to learn. Yes, like in this picture children, you can see that what the boy is doing something. What is he doing? Yes, the boy is eating food. Okay, so eat is here. What? This is also highlighted. Yes, it is a action word. What is, sorry, it is an action words. Okay, so the boy is doing what? The boy is eating food. So it is what? It is an action words. In this picture children, the girl is sleeping. So sleep is an what? Action words. Okay children, so was with some more example, try what with the help of some example, try to understand. Again I am just going to explain, you just try to understand children. Like you all have to complete the books chapter 23, and you will have to fill here what? Action words. Okay, so just tell me, we dash in water. Children, just fill here action word. Okay, and through this picture children, in this picture you can see this boy is swimming in water. This boy is swimming in water. And children, you should never what swim alone what in the water. Okay, so we dash in water. So there this boy is, what is he doing? Yes, he is swimming. So there you will write swim. Why? Because swim is an action word. So there you will write swim. We swim in water. SWIM swim. We swim in water. We at night. We dash at night. As you can see in this picture children, this girl is sleeping. Okay, and that is also it is said that early to bed. Yes, and early to rise makes the person what? Healthy, wealthy and wise. So this girl is sleeping. So what? Sleep is an action word. So there you all will have to fill what? Sleep. 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 We sleep at night. Okay, now next, we dash at clowns. Children, when do you see the clowns? Yes, we laugh on him. So there what? You all will have to write laugh. Why? Because laugh is an action word. We laugh at clowns. LAUGH. 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 We laugh at clowns. Now next one, we dash perfume. Yes, perfume smells are very pleasant. So what? We smell perfume. We smell perfume. So there you will write smell. 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 Smell is an also action word. Okay, now we dash water children. Yes, in this picture you can see they are drinking water. So drink is here. Drink is an what? Action word. So there you will write we drink water. DRINK. 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 We drink in what? Sorry, we drink water. Let us some more example, my dear. Now, see. We dash food. Children, what do you know? Yes, you should, children, eat healthy food. And what eating fruits and vegetable makes you fit and healthy. So there, children, what you will have to write here? We dash food. Yes. What you will write here? We. What you will write here? Some more example. Let's see, children. Yes, like you can see, we dash songs. Yes, in this picture you can see this girl is singing song. So sing is an action word. So we sing songs. There you will write here sing, S-I-N-G, sing. We sing songs. We dash kites. You can see in this picture they are flying kites. So what? Fly is an action word. So there you will have to write fly, F-L-Y, fly. We dash letter. What? We write letters. So there you will write what? Write. Right now I am also writing on slide, children. So we dash letters. You will have to write we write letters. We dash daily. In this picture you can see we exercise daily. We exercise daily. So there you will write exercise. Why? Because it is also a what? Exercise is an action word. We dash in air. We breathe in air. So children, you will have to fill the blank space. Okay, in this chapter 23, you will have to fill what? Action words. And already I have said what I have explained about the action word, children. Yes, what action word? It means what? The words that tells the what a person, animal or things does are called doing words, also called action words, or also action words are also called doing words. So children, hope you all have understood very nicely. So today one more thing you all are going to do in your copy. Children, today you all have to complete the what? You all will learn the general awareness, because you all live in society, children. So you should know what is happening in your society, who is the first, which is the longest, which is the largest. You should know. So through this video you can understand very easily. So let's start. You will have to write the question answer. Okay, so first question is here. There is first question. Here is first question, children. Yes, who is the finance minister of India? Yes, do you know, children, who is the finance minister of India? Yes, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman. Yes, and do you know her work? Yes, finance minister is the finance minister is the most important after the prime minister, because she is responsible for fiscal policy and the budget. Okay, so she is the most important after the prime minister. So yes, who is the finance minister of India, children? Yes, Nirmala Sitharaman, and already you are knowing. And who is the prime minister? Yes, Mr. Narendra Modi. Okay, children, Mr. Narendra Modi is the prime minister of India. What? Nirmala Sitharaman is the finance minister of India. Now next question is here. Who is the vice president of India? Who is the vice president of India? Yes, Venkaiah Naidu. Yes, Venkaiah Naidu is the vice president of India. Spelling Vankaiah. Venkaiah Naidu. 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 Venkaiah Naidu is the vice president of India. And so what do you know, children? Yes, vice president is the second highest constitutional office in India after the president. Yes, the vice president acts as president in the absence of president. Yes, due to death, resignation and other situation. Okay, in the place of president, what? Vice president they work. Okay, so what vice president? Okay, so who is the vice president? So you should know. You will have to say Venkaiah Naidu is the vice president of our country. Okay, children. Now move to the next question is here. Which is our national currency? Do you know? Yes, rupee is our national currency. Yes, children, the Indian rupees is the official currency of India, and the rupee is subdivided into 100 paise. It means what? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, and this is the sign of what? Rupee. Okay, like when you will write 2 rupee, so first you will put the sign of 2 and then after you will write 2. Okay, 2 rupee, 3 rupee. So this is the sign. Okay, there it is the sign of rupee. Understood, children? So now next one, which is the national aquatic animal of India? Yes, children. Yes, this is the picture of dolphin. Yes, the river dolphin is the national aquatic animal of India. Yes, river dolphin is the national aquatic animal of India. Dolphins have smooth rubbery skin and are usually colored in some mixture of black, white and grey. Okay, so this is the picture of dolphin. Now next one, children, move to the next. Next one is here. Who is popularly known as the Iron Man of India, children? Do you know? Yes. Yes. Who is popularly known as the Iron Man of India? You all have to say Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Yes, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is known as Sardar Patel. He served as the first deputy prime minister of India. So Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is the what it is known as what Iron Man of India, and he teaches us what manpower without unity is not a strength. It means what? Unity is a strength. Yes, when you will work together in team, the work becomes very easier. So what unity is strength. Okay, children. Now who wrote our national anthem? Do you know? First thing you should know, children, which is our national anthem. Yes, Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem and written by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore, Rabindra. Rabindranath, Nath, Nath, Tagore, Tagore, Tagore. So don't forget, children. Yes, Rabindranath Tagore. Yes, national anthem Jana Gana and written by Rabindranath Tagore. And do you know, children, which is our national song? Which is our national song? Yes, Vande Mataram, and this one was written by the Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Okay, so national anthem Jana Gana Mana written by Rabindranath Tagore and national song Vande Mataram written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Okay, children. Now move to the next. Next one is here. Which is the largest river in the world? But before, children, do you know which is the largest river of our India? Yes, the Ganga. Okay, so now here is asking largest river in the world. Okay, in the world. So you will have to say Nile. Nile is the largest river in the world. N-I-L-E, Nile. N-I-L-E, Nile. Okay, my dear. So there you will write Nile. Now, who discovered India? Yes, Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama discovered India by sea route. He reached at Atlantic Ocean when he arrives at Calicut on the Malabar coast. Okay, children. So Vasco da Gama discovered India. Okay, by sea route. Okay, children. Now move to the next. Next one is here. Yes. Okay, children. This next one is here. Which is the largest and smallest country in the world? Yes, Russia is the largest country in the world and Vatican City is the smallest country in the world. Okay, children. So Vatican, Vatican City. Now next one is here. Next question is here. But before question, children, you just there it should be a. There it should be a woman. 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 Because there it will talk about one lady. Okay. So who is the first woman? Who is the first woman to climb Mount Everest? MOUNT. Spelling of Mount. MOUNT. Mount Everest. 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 Okay, children. Who is the first woman to climb Mount Everest? You all will say yes. Bachendri Pal is an Indian mountaineer who in 1984 became the first Indian woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest. Okay. So Bachendri Pal, BACHENDRI, Bachendri, PAL, Pal, Bachendri Pal. Now, which is the next question is here? Which is the tallest building in the world? Do you know, children? Yes, Burj Khalifa, B-U-R-J, B-U-R-J, Burj Khalifa, Khalifa. Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. And also children, yes, Burj Khalifa hold the what following records: tallest building in the world and at over 828 meters and more than 160 stories. Okay children, so Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. Okay, so children, this this is the, as you can see, this is the picture of Burj Khalifa. Yes, this is the picture of Burj Khalifa. Okay, and what it is here, and she is what Bachendri Pal. Okay, she is the first Indian woman to climb what Mount Everest, and this is a picture of Burj Khalifa. It is the tallest building in the world. Okay children, so hope children whatever I have explained in this video you all have understood very nicely. So at home children, you will have to write first, complete the chapter 23, and then in your copy with beautiful handwriting you will write the general awareness and also try to learn. Okay, so once again children, thank you for watching this video till end. Bye bye you all.